No.
We escaped Ohio to come down to Georgia for a couple of days to spend Thanksgiving with Clayton's parents. These kids are gonna drive us nuts.
It's a good Thanksgiving.
A reindeer. That's pretty cool. What'd you make?
Deviled eggs. Hopefully they don't suck.
They look delicious. You got real fancy here with bacon.
I don't know how fancy you can get with bacon from a jar. That one wasn't gonna fit.
I will never complain about bacon, ever.
Jack, what's that? Waylon. Bite. Bite.
Wait, that.
Any more?
And I like it.
Okay, these are for later.
Candies, buses.
These were rough, but the ship came through. At last they spotted land so green. Can you find the green bead? Is that green? There you go. And then the orange one. The orange one's the last one. You got it? Ooh!
Flipbacks.
All right, there you go. There's your Thanksgiving bracelet. Their Thanksgiving story bracelet. That's what we just made. Wanna put it on? Jack's getting ready to train. You excited?
Choo Choo! Oh, no, can't go that way.
We need all the way that's louder than the train horn. Let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
right. First rock candy experience. Maybe. If I can open it.
It's like a sucker.
What do you think?
I want popcorn.
French fries. All right. That train ride made me sleepy. This is like perfect.
You think? It's a rock.
Jackson, what is that? Yep, the Stegosaurus is moving.
I want to mow dinosaur.
Yeah, it's wearing a Santa hat.
And what hat?
Say Merry Christmas, Stegosaurus.
I mean,
Tried.
I'm pretty impressed.
What do you think, buddy?
Is that one your favorite? We found Waylon. If you were a dinosaur.
It's right there.
Wait. Is that one your favorite?
Yeah.
Wow! Oh, yeah.
It's up there, yeah. The tree up there.
See the ducks?
Quack, quack. We got all dirty. You all done? It's burger time.
He is judging you.
Is yours?
Thank you.
Factoring jacket.
Yours looks like straight protein style.
Or from the brewery.
That's what they do. That's what they said.
He's not sure.
No, really.
Well, was it good? Whoa!
What do you think, Jack? Lights! Let's go to Christmas tree!
That's funny.
That was all of your favorite things, buddy. It was a big truck and Christmas lights.
Yeah. And a ladder.
And a ladder,
And a
that's
ladder.
right.
Is that how bright it gets? I'm not 100% sure what we just saw, but that made my night.
That was a semi-tow truck wrapped in Christmas lights, blaring Christmas music.
Well, I mean, I know what it was, but I didn't expect, it was very unexpected.
Jackson was very pleased.
Yeah. So was I. That made my night.
I'll die like that.
We don't get down here often, so when we do, we got to stock up on apparel. This could be dangerous and expensive.
Yep, how much?
I like this thing.
I like that.
Ah!
All right, we should probably get out of here before I go
Before you go crazy?
crazier.
We made it back home.
We did. No thanks to you.
What do you mean, no thanks to me?
Old sleepyhead over here.
We didn't even leave until 8 o'clock at night, which didn't put us home till 3 a.m. So, yes. But that's okay. Well, you got to play sleepyhead and sleep in. I got to deal with the kids this morning. So it's fair. You drove us home. I dealt
Deal
with
with
the
your
kids.
kids? Wow. Parent of the year over here. They're a
Whatever.
blessing.
They are. Yes, a true blessing. All right. We'll see y'all next time. Thanks for tagging along.
Later.
Yeah.